In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to tell Zoom participant to speed up. We'll use Zoom's built-in reactions to give a quick, discreet nudge without talking over anyone or derailing the flow of the meeting. This is especially handy when a presenter is running long, reading slides too slowly, or you simply need to keep things on schedule. Start by looking at the Zoom meeting toolbar. On desktop, it usually sits along the bottom of your screen. On mobile, it may be at the top or hidden until you tap the screen. Find the Reactions button, the one with the smiley face icon. If you don't see it right away, try clicking the More option with 3 dots, resizing your Zoom window, or hovering your mouse to reveal hidden controls. In some organizations, hosts can control which reactions are available, so if it's missing entirely, you may need to update Zoom or ask the host to enable reactions and nonverbal feedback in their meeting settings. Open the Reactions panel and choose Speed Up. When you click Speed Up, Zoom posts a clear but subtle signal that indicates you'd like the pace to move faster. It shows up near your name or as an on-screen marker, so the presenter can notice it without being called out verbally. This is a professional, non-intrusive way to keep momentum, perfect for large meetings, webinars, or any situation where an interruption would be awkward. If you change your mind or the presenter has already adjusted, you can remove the cue just as easily. Click the Speed Up option again to toggle it off. Depending on the meeting settings, some reactions fade automatically after a short time, but using the same Speed Up button is the most reliable way to clear your signal right away. A few quick tips to use this well. Time your reaction during a natural pause so it's more likely to be noticed. If the topic is nuanced and needs context, consider pairing the reaction with a short, respectful chat message like, "Let's keep an eye on time," so the intent is unmistakable. If you're the host or co-host, you can also acknowledge the feedback verbally when appropriate, then guide the presenter to the next point. And if you're joining from a phone or tablet, tap More, then Reactions, and select Speed Up. The flow is the same, just adapted to a smaller screen. That's all there is to it. Click Reactions, choose Speed Up, and click it again to remove. With this simple tool, you can keep your meetings efficient, supportive, and on track without breaking anyone's stride.